Hey, what's up? It's me, Jeremy, and welcome back to another exclusive tutorial using the Beyond Imagination V2 playing cards. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you a little simple card trick that is disguised as a bar bet. So, if you're ready, let's begin. Hey, we have Angel over here. Angel, idea here is very simple. This is a little bar bet with a deck of cards, okay? What we're going to do is this. I'm going to give you a quick mix like this. Go ahead, take the cards. I want you to deal them into 2 packets of 5 cards each. Okay, so just deal 1, 1, 1. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I'll take those from you. You can pick up your cards, okay, and mix them, shuffle them, mix them, doesn't matter. As much as you want. You can look at the cards also if you like. If not, it's fine. It doesn't matter. Okay. So this is a little bar bet. The idea here is very simple. All you have to do is to follow exactly what I do. Okay. And if you do it correctly, you will win $100. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Okay. So idea here is very simple. You take the top card, you turn it face up, okay, and you place it on the bottom of the packet. Alright? Yeah. Take the next card, leave it face down and place it on the bottom of the packet. Alright? Take the next card, turn it face up, and put it on the bottom of the packet. Take the next card, keep it face down, and put it on the bottom of the packet. Okay, so far so good? Yes? Now just to compare, you spread the cards like this, so you can see that we have 3 face down cards and 2 face up cards, right? Good. Square the cards up like this, okay? Turn the whole packet around. Take the top card, turn it face down, place it on top. Okay? Take the bottom card, turn it face down, and place it on the bottom. Okay? You follow exactly what I did? Yes. So if you have done that, then you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 face down cards. No. Okay, look. No. Again? Yeah. Okay. Turn your card face down. This time I will double the bet. Okay, so instead of $100, I will double it to $200. Okay, it's a lot of money for those people who haven't bought my playing cards. Okay, all you have to do again is to follow exactly what I do. Okay, you can mix the cards up again, doesn't matter. Okay, in fact, I'll make it so fair that I'll spread the cards like this. Okay, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to spread the cards. Okay, so first thing, take the top card, turn it face up, and place it on the bottom of the packet. Right? Yeah. Take the next card, leave it face down, and place it on the bottom. Yeah. Okay. Take the third card, turn it face up, and place it on the bottom. Yeah. Right? Take the next card, leave it face down, and place it on the bottom. Yeah. Right? So again, if you spread, you'll see it's the same, right? Yeah. Yes. Then square everything up, turn them over like this. Take the top card, face down on top. Take the bottom card, okay, face down on the bottom. Right? See? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 face down cards. Take a look. What? Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now, let's go to the explanation. So to perform this trick, you will need the Beyond Imagination playing cards V2 and the double back card. Okay, place the double back card on top of the deck. That's your first setup. You can shuffle the cards like this, maintaining the double back card on top. Okay, now in order to do that, all you have to do is riffle less than half the deck. Okay, less than half the deck, break the cards here. So when you riffle through the cards like this, you will definitely finish this packet before this one. Hence, this one will always end up on top like this. Okay, now another way to do it is to do an overhand shuffle. So you shuffle one card and then the rest in blocks like this. Now the double back is on the bottom, and then do the shuffle again. When you come towards the end of the rest of the cards, you can shuffle them singly, hence bringing the double back to the top. Okay. After that, just hand the cards over to them. I mean, you don't have to call attention to the shuffle. Just do a quick shuffle and say, okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to deal the cards into 2 packets, 5 cards each. Okay. Gesture to yourself first so that they will deal the card to you first. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, 5. Okay, you don't need the rest of the cards, so you can just place them away. Pick up the cards. Remember that your double back card is right on the bottom, and you need to move it second to the top. Okay, from the bottom, second to the top. You can do this in a number of ways. The first and most obvious way is to just cut the top 3 cards, or you can take the top card, okay, and ask them to shuffle the cards and move your double back second from the top. Okay. Another way to do it is to just randomly mix them. Okay, just randomly mix them, doesn't matter, because the cards are marked. As you can see, that these cards are marked. Okay, the gimmick card is not marked. Right, there's no markings on the side here. Like this is the ace of spades, this is the 3 of diamonds, this is the 4 of clubs, and this is the 5 of clubs, right? So mix it up, and then once you spot where your card is, say for example now it's in the middle, just move one card down and you'll set up your double back second from the top. That's all you need to do. Alright. Once you are ready, once they are ready, ask them to do exactly the same. Take the top card, turn it face up, and place it on the bottom of the deck. Next card, keep it face down. Now don't flash this card because this is your gimmick card, and place it on the bottom. Okay. Next card, turn it face up and place it on the bottom. And then one more time, take this one, the card face down. Now you can slightly flash the card and say keep it face down and place it on the bottom. At this point, you can stop and spread the cards to compare with your spectators, and we should be in the same orientation. Remember to square the cards and turn the whole packet over. Take the top card and turn it face down. Take the bottom card, turn it face down and place it back to the bottom. And you've done exactly the same as me, you should have the same result. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5 face down cards. Okay. Now because they don't have a double back card, this is what will happen to them. They take the top card, place it on the bottom, second card face down, third card face up on the bottom, fourth card face down on the bottom. Spread the cards in the same position, turn the cards over, take the top card, turn it face down, take the bottom card, turn it face down and place it back to the bottom. What will happen is that they will always have one face up card. Okay, so that is the bare secrets of this. Now you can offer to do it again if you like. Just remember that after you've done it, your gimmick card is in the middle. Okay, so what you need to do is to reposition it again. So there are a couple of ways to do it. You can just shuffle the cards like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shuffle one more, and now your double back card will be second from the top. Okay, if not, you can again just mix it, look for the mark, and then replace it second from the top, like this. And then you can do it one more time. So that's the explanation for the secret of this bar bet. So now let's talk about presentational ideas. You can present it exactly the same as me. You can involve money, or you can just involve an exchange of something. Like say, for example, before you deal the cards and then all that, you say that, oh, okay, if you can follow exactly what I do, then I will buy you a drink. If not, you will buy me a drink. Simple as that, right? Another way you can present it is, of course, with money. If you don't want to use money or anything like that, then don't. Okay, and practice. You will require some type of audience control because they tend to want to grab your cards, that kind of stuff. So and I cannot teach you that. It comes with practice, right? And then you will think of ways of how to prevent them from doing this. Bear in mind that if you perform or do this in a very casual setting, like it's fun, it's not serious magic, then of course their guard will be down. So that way you won't get so much of the heckling that's going on. Another tip or another way to present this is that you can do it for more than one person, right? You can just ask them to take the top 5 cards, deal it to me, and then next 5 to them, and all that kind of stuff, right? Because the cards were shuffled, so they also have no idea what's coming. Okay, and then you can do it for multiple people, which is fun because you get more reactions that way and all that kind of stuff, which I think is pretty cool. So if you have any questions about this, please drop them in the comments below. I hope you're enjoying the tutorials that are coming in on a weekly basis. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.